Hey guys, Cheese24 here. Today we're watching RWBY Season 2, Episode 3, The Minor Hiccup. And before I start, I just want to say I'm sorry for not having a video for Wednesday. I kind of fell asleep. That was all my fault. I fell asleep. Yeah. But make for that, today we're going to be having two videos. This one, obviously, and also the Pony one. That will be up later today. But anyway, here we go.
There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line that will cross.
I can't do it.
There's a time and a place, no bridges.
I can't do it. Does Season 2 have more story? It feels like it has more story. Just from what I've seen from it. It feels like it has more story. And why does Yang always stumble around? She's supposed to be like this cool fighter, but she always stumbles around. Why? Anyone ever notice that? Whenever she like jumps or runs or grabs anything, she like stumbles around. Hey, a timer.
So what? I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat.
You're supposed to be with Pura.
I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want.
Spruce Willis.
I hear it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm
And then time went wrong, I guess. Well,
That teacher is cool.
The conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, yes.
You're supposed to be with Pura, buddy. It's gonna be Pura. I think that's how you said the name. Oh, do they have new outfits? They do.
Alright guys, today's the day.
What? A class where you hear a teacher just mumble about themselves? Isn't that pretty much every class? What is that background? Oh, that was Achievement Hunter. That poster. Oh, that was Achievement Hunter. Achievement Hunter, that was great.
Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning. I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard. Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. Finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team. Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Alright, I'll go with White son. You can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But
What?
who would go with you then? Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Why am I laughing?
Forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right? Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me.
I want to see this Great War.
Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich. Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Where'd that phone come from?
Oh,
Penny!
you dropped this.
Penny!
Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go.
You know, if she's a robot, they could have just wiped her memory from ever meeting them.
You go
So
make
that
a
would make
call.
this a
I'll
lot
be
more
right there.
convenient for anybody.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be
Penny's
a
feet seem kind of small.
misunderstanding. What?
They have like a very cylinder-like design, and the toes parts are kind of short, and I wonder why that is.
Look,
Oh well.
I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please.
I
As a
left.
friend.
I left.
It isn't safe to talk here.
But you're never mind. Never mind. Hey, Weiss. This is a library? Huh.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Scroll.
Perfect. Thank you, Mishni.
That's still a funny last name. Looks like she's just sliding on the floor.
Cross-Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Holograms. Yeah!
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Snee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch... Miss Snee. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
You have a sister named Winter?
I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
Ah, the future, where Apple has taken over.
If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
Yeah.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will
Why
be
are they
all.
called scrolls?
You wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go.
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Ah, these headphones are terrible. Hey. What's with that metal stuff on her arm? It's on her shoulder. What's with that?
You, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh no, nothing like that. Well then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Why aren't you questioning the fact that she had giant blades pop out of her back?
Let us know you were okay.
Why aren't you asking that?
Was
That's one of the
asked not to
that's one of the
touch
first
you.
questions I would ask.
Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
The A3130 has been the standard security model of Lemon for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200. Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models
Less
will come
scary.
out later this year, but they won't.
Those poses.
The Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that
What's with the
undoubtedly
Band-Aid?
require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
Wow.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battle suits will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else. Penny? Wait, where are you going?
They all run so strangely, but it's a good strange. Wait, so why aren't they sending in... Oh, GO. Okay. What was that? Finally, a scene that actually had... Hey, buddy, how you doing? A scene that actually has some dramatic tension. And you are Brock. How is Ash? Misty? May? Anyone? What's so bad about it? Ruby has super speed. Pyrrha could use magnetism. She's basically Magneto. What's so wrong about that? I mean, you saw her shoot swords out of her back. How is that?
Penny! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that?
Really?
I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right?
Yes. Are you even looking at her? Looks like you're looking at the area next to her.
I'm not a real girl.
I knew it! She's a robot.
Oh.
Well, okay. That is about as much as you can give her. I like this song right here. There we go. I knew she was a robot. It's quite obvious, but come on. Is that fan art? Wow, that was episode 3 of A Minor Hiccup. And other than the end having actual hiccups, I don't see really the problems in this one, but it was good. I liked it. And they finally confirmed that Penny, yes, is a robot, which is cool. Android, robot, droid, whatever we want to say it, she's mechanical. But yeah, basically kind of like a Terminator, just not kill everyone kind of Terminator. The one that saves things, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, that was good. Again, I'm sorry for not having a video up on Wednesday. There will be 2 up today, this one, and then obviously Pony one uploaded later today. But yeah. Anyway guys, I'm Stand Strong and Ruby on. See you next time-ish.